In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rotating animation in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make any image spin smoothly so your designs feel more dynamic and eye-catching, whether you're working on social posts, slides, or short video clips. First, open your design in Canva and make sure you're on the page that contains the element you want to animate. Click the image you want to rotate. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles appear around it. This step is important because Canva treats page-level animations and element-level animations differently. If the entire page is selected, you'll get options that animate the whole layout, which isn't what we want here. So confirm that only the single image, sticker, or graphic is highlighted. If you're working with overlapping items, click directly on the one you want and zoom in a bit if that helps you target it precisely. With your image selected, look toward the top toolbar and click on Animate. Canva will open an animation panel on the left or at the top, depending on your layout. You should see a section dedicated to element animations. That's where the magic happens for individual objects. If you notice you're seeing only page animations, double-check that you still have the specific image highlighted and not the background or a text box behind it. The Animate panel usually previews effects as you hover over them, so you can quickly get a feel for how each option looks in motion before you apply it. Inside the animation options, click on Rotate. As soon as you choose Rotate, Canva will apply a spinning motion to the selected image and give you an instant preview right on the canvas. This is a clean, continuous spin that works well for icons, logos, or decorative graphics. Depending on your Canva plan and the current interface, you may see controls to fine-tune how the rotation behaves, such as adjusting the intensity or tempo. Keep your spin subtle if your design is text-heavy, and consider a slightly slower rotation for a more polished feel. If your image has a natural top and bottom, a full 360-degree loop often looks smoother than a partial twist. That's all there is to it. Click your image, click Animate, and click Rotate. Keep your design balanced by using motion thoughtfully, and keep an eye on legibility around any text. With a single, clean, rotating element, your composition will feel more alive without distracting from your message.